everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, I'm MakeupJunkieG and I do all things beauty, fashion and lifestyle, and it would be so fab if you could stick around, hit that subscribe button and the notification button so you get notified every time I upload. It would be amazing if you could be part of the Junkie family, as we are definitely makeup junkies around here. So definitely don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be a part of the notification squad. So if you comment down below, I'm a junkie, you will have a chance to have a shout out. So at the end of the video, I always pick 2 of my lovely subscribers as post notification shout outs. Just stick around to the end of the video and you will be able to see who gets a shout out. So today's video is going to be 4 of my go-to easy and quick hairstyles. Now, I've never done this before on my channel. You know that I have some of the most fab hairstyles in my video, and you've clearly noticed. So it's not a video that I've done in my channel before, so I thought, why not show you some of these gorgeous hairstyles. So in today's video, Laura's just coming to help me to do my hairstyles.
Hey guys!
So this is my hairstylist.
To the stars, I am.
Yes. My hairstyle. She's the woman with the myth, the legend.
The legend, the momager.
So she helps me with all of my hairstyles. So yeah, let's get into the video. So starting off with how I prep my hair, I use the OGX KUKUI oil shampoo, which I love by the way, and the Argan oil Moroccan conditioner. I love OGX shampoo. They work so well with my hair and it just makes my hair feel so healthy and gorgeous. Then I always use my Ride or Die product, which is the Bleach London Silver Shampoo, because I am half blonde. I love the silver blonde, so I use that to help. Then I use the Garnier Ultimate Blends Heat Protecting Milk for when I use heat on my hair. And then I use Batiste Dry Shampoo in between washes. Starting off, I'm going to brush my hair with the wet brush. This is so fab for detangling your hair. My hair is about 2 days old here, which is so much better for holding styles. Gives it a little bit more grip, you know. Then we are lifting the top section of my hair and gently teasing with a backcombing brush. This is actually from PRIMARK. Then gathering all the hair from underneath, scooping up into a little ponytail and smoothing over with a brush or hands, just to keep them flyaways at bay, just to make it looking so smooth. Then we're taking a small section of hair from the ponytail, wrap this around the top, covering the elastic band. This just gives it that really Kim Kardashian ponytail vibe. Like, I love her hair, and this just makes any normal ponytail look so just sassy and just, I love it. Just adds a little something. It looks so nice and fancy. Oof. So for look number 2, we are starting off with a basic ponytail, then pulling the hair through, but not all the way through, creating like a loose, gorgeous big bun. Then with the end strand that like hanging at the bottom, plait and wrap the front section around, then pin. So you're basically doing quite a big bun. You're then plaiting it. Then you're then wrapping it around the base of the bun. Again, it just gives it that little boho vibe. So for look number 3, we are starting my hair down. Then what we're doing is we're spraying Batiste through the crown and the sides of it, just to give texture, and we need that volume. Like, I have no volume in my hair, so we need the volume just to make my hair look a little bit thicker. Then what we're doing is we're just gathering the crown section, scooping up as high as you can or how high as you want, and secure with an elastic band, just to give, you know, the Ariana Grande half up, half down. You are almost just doing like a little ponytail with half your head down. It looks so nice. Looks like you put a lot of effort in. It's so pretty, but it's so easy. If you want to add even more glam and say you wanted it to make it more of a nighttime look or an evening look, you can add some curls. So I'm using a barrelless barrel curler here, the thickest barrel, because I do not like tiny curls. I like them, the bigger the better the curl. Like seriously, I love my big bouncy curls. If you want to add more glam, honestly, the most easiest way, you could just keep your hair in from the day at work or whatever, then come home and just curl your hair and you look like you've put so much effort in. And as you can see, I clearly have a fear of curling tongs because I don't like hot things. Carrying on from the previous look, I am taking the little ponytail part, twisting it and creating a mini top knot. So it's a half up, half down top knot look. So that is the end of my video. These are some of my go-to hairstyle looks and I feel like everyone can do them and I absolutely love them. I'm obsessed. So I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the thumbs up button and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload, which is twice a week, so you get your daily dose of vitamin G. So now it's time for a notification shout out. Now my phone doesn't work. So my first post notification goes out to Daisy and she said, "I'm a junkie, you are the best to do makeup. You look so nice and pretty. Keep doing amazing videos. I love you." I love you too, Daisy. Thank you so much for this gorgeous comment. I love it and thank you for being a junkie. Then my next one goes to Ruby Cosley and she actually has a YouTube channel of her own. So I really recommend you checking it out. Go in my description box. It will all be linked because she also does YouTube, so definitely give her some love. She said, "I'm a junkie. I love you girl. Your laugh gets me every time. Since your inspiration to start my YouTube, of course, I'm a junkie. Like, who isn't?" So thank you so much. I love you, Ruby, and you're amazing. So if you did put the hashtag, thank you so much. It means a lot to me and you will always have a chance to be able to get a notification shout out. So don't forget to use the hashtag I'm a junkie and you will be entered only when you've done the notification button. Don't forget to click it. So that is it now. I'm going to love you and leave you, but I hope you have a fab week and I will see you next week for a brand new vlog and a brand new main channel video. Bye! Mwah.
3, 2, 1